guys. I just woke up. I'm wearing this comforter because I didn't wear anything while I'm sleeping. It is you have a sound sleep when you don't wear so. Today is Friday and I have a exam at 1 p.m. and tomorrow is cheiraoba, that is on Saturday. I'm planning to go for trekking with one of my friend. Not one of my friend, I'm going with few friends of mine. So I'm going to block all of that. Let's see how my exam goes. If it goes well, I'll tell you guys. If it doesn't go well, that also update you guys. So that's it. Done with the exam and it was just good. It was not that very good, but I did my best. Whew. Now I'm heading at bazaar to get something and I will show you guys after some time, so stay tuned. Okay, and tomorrow is cheiraoba and I have holiday tomorrow, so there's no exam. I'm definitely going for that and I'll take you guys with me. I'm done with the shopping. So. I'm at my grandmother's house. I went there for celebrating cheiraoba when no one was awake. And guys, on my way, I am on my way to my friend's house. She texted me last night to come over and have meal with them together, but I'm going to have meal with my grandmother. I just went there, they was preparing for a meal, so I thought I would just go to my friend's house and I'll come back so that we can have the meal together. So I'm on my way. So I decided to go here for trekking in this Kosanamahi, Kubam. So this is my first time. I'm going with When I was a kid, I was obsessed with this. I used to eat this, and after a long time, I got this. So to reach, or there is more to go. Oh, the view I'll show you in some few clips. Right now I'm trekking and it's exhausting. Can you see that view? This kid over there, she's asking her father to take her to that temple where she could worship. And his father is like, you'll get tired, let's return. But she's like insisting on, let's go, let's go.
Nah, không yêu từ xa đâu.
We're gonna reach, I think so.
Hi guys, long time no see, brother. Udah kuy deh. Kakak lain no.
Nungay bro, có tao cái sao mà
Nungay ba di oy dire. Kaman hi le hay ko. Ai so ha mane ba to. Yam nungay ba di oy dire. Oy je matam je nang khuyong na ba ko. Tu ne ya de. Ado matam mu na je. Quay vlog tông tông xem mà
Sile, sile. We were walking down on a different road which no one was going. We chose this. We thought, my friends were like, they knew this place. This is the correct place. We went there and it was wrong. So we need to, rotate the whole hill and come back down again. Nevertheless, the journey was great. It was a good experience and I did enjoy that day. Russ. It became dark. When we're returning, we had this, and this is the dish which my friend gave. And after that, I went for towel again, you guys. to the outro of this. So this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and if you did enjoy, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and see you in my next video. By the way, I'm on my way to return this Stephen, my friend Gav. So see you in my next vlog. Till then, stay happy and do whatever you want. At least don't make someone else sad because of you. Bye.